Greetings from Dollywood Theme Park in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. My name is Ryan, and on this video, I hope to answer the question that I often see asked is, how many days do I need to truly experience this theme park? Should I get a one-day ticket, a two-day ticket? Should I get a three-day ticket, or should I just get a whole pass? Everybody's gonna be a little different, but my hope is in this video, I give you a little insight to help you decide how many days are best for you and your family if you're planning a trip to Pigeon Forge to come inside to Dollywood Theme Park. So with that being said, let's hop in the park and help you decide how many days you should do. First thing I wanted to do is look at the single day, 2-day, and 3-day ticket prices. You can see a single day regular adult price is $89. You can see the 2-day ticket is only $20 more at $109, or for an additional $10 from the 2-day ticket, at $119, you can get a 3-day park ticket. With that pricing structure in mind, can you buy the cheapest one-day option and have a great day at Dollywood? Absolutely. I would just say that you have to keep in mind, it's a big park and you probably want to arrive as early as you can, and you're going to want to stay as long as you can until the park closes, as well as be very strategic as to what you do when you do it to maximize all that this park has to offer. If you are going to be here at a popular time of the year and you love thrill rides, I would also definitely suggest getting a time saver pass if you're only going to do one day, so you can maximize getting on all the rides that you want to. I'll put a link down below giving you more information on how time saver passes work. If you are going to be in the Pigeon Forge area for more than just one day, I would consider getting a 2 or a 3-day park pass, as the price increase from that single day is not that much more and there is so much to enjoy. What I love about Dollywood is you don't have to have every single minute planned out. You can just show up and perhaps watch a couple shows, get some lunch one day, and you have that freedom and flexibility to come back and do some of the other things that you didn't get to do yet, or ride the rides you really loved again. And you don't have that pressure as though you have to do it all in one day, especially during some of the festivals. At the summertime with fireworks and different shows that they have at night are fantastic. I could watch them multiple nights, or the fall time when they have pumpkins on display all throughout the park. I could walk through that day after day. And the Christmas time, we love all the lights and Christmas displays that you could slow down and really soak in over more than one day. If you are thinking you would like to enjoy Dollywood over multiple days, I would consider a silver or gold season pass. As you can see, a silver pass is essentially $40 more than a 3-day park ticket. And if you compare that silver pass versus a single one-day ticket, which would be $89, over multiple visits, you can see that it would be much cheaper to just buy a silver, or again, we love the gold pass, which includes free parking and many other benefits, which you can read some other Dollywood articles. We'll put some of those down below this video. That's going to wrap up this video. If you found it helpful, do us a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button down below and that subscribe button. They're both great, free, and easy ways to support our efforts to bring you more videos just like this. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in Dollywood very soon.